Badshah Shah Rukh Khan and new age Kancha China Sanjay Dutt together on screens. Buzz is that the two stars are being considered for Karan Johar's next production. Talks are that the project will be hardcore action flick and Shah Rukh and Dutt's roles are said to be specially customs made for them. Incidentally, speculations were rife that Malhotra is remaking the Hrithik Roshan starrer Agnipath, for which Shah Rukh Khan and Sanjay Dutt are being roped in. However, the director tagged to sources that it is not so, and he is making a film with fresh original script. Earlier, we had seen Shah Rukh and Sanjay together on screen in 2007, Om Shanti, Om title track, and now with Malhotra's project. The two powerhouses will share screen space in full-length roles for first time. Meanwhile, it is also heard that Karan Johar is coming up with two films with his buddy and favorite actor Shah Rukh Khan this year, out of which one will be hung by Malhotra.